Hi, this is an update on Mac OS Sonoma and R. So R was doing weird things for me recently. What I mean is that if I were to plot something and then let's say do an AB line on it, the AB line wouldn't appear. This was a known bug that tons of people have been reporting on Mac Sonoma, different beta versions, and also different beta versions of R. Okay, so I just uploaded the very newest R. Today is Saturday, March 2nd, 2024. Very latest version of R. And I also uploaded the very latest beta version of Sonoma. They're both from about 3 days ago, I think, something like that. Um, okay, so number one, that funny redrawing thing doesn't happen anymore. They figured that out, which is terrific. Fingers crossed on that anyways. You can see two things here. One on the right is an editor window. Doesn't really matter what it is. I'm fiddling around with drawing wind barbs, I guess they're called. Um, and I'm playing with the aesthetics, like how much space to put between things and so forth. You can see that on the left-hand side. These are wind barbs. There's something a little bit wrong if you're someone who's been following this. The number above this one here is wrong, actually. It's rounded down to 0 from 2. But that doesn't really matter. So these barbs look correct to me. The angle looks reasonable. And if you know wind barbs, no, this is wrong here. This little tick should be over to the right a little bit. Anyway, that's not the point of this. The point of this is this thing used to take 5-10 seconds to redraw, perceptibly slow. Now I'm going to type something which is going to make, you're going to see the bottom window is going to change. Actually, what I'll do is this. Okay, at the bottom window, and watch what happens. In the time it takes to draw the bottom window, it can reload this whole thing. This is nice for me because I have a lot of code like this. I'm calling segments to draw each of these little line segments. And I thought, well, gosh, I can't do that. I'm going to have to store all those quantities in like arrays and then do segments on the whole thing. And the same sort of idea for these triangles that I would have to do. I can spell polygon correctly. I'm right now doing polygon for each. Like here, I'm calling polygon cracker, calling polygon 1, 2, 3 times. And I thought, gosh, that's going to be slow. And again, I have to put them all together. The answer is no. In the very latest, so again, March 2nd, 2024, in the very latest version of R, that's the official version of R, and in the very latest beta version of Mac Sonoma, the redrawing is correct and very, very fast.